My name is Praveen. I am the founder of Vakchaturya. Before starting Vakchaturya, I have 8 years experience as a HR recruitment specialist where I worked with a multinational company where I got an opportunity to interact with people from middle level to senior level management. And in my job, I have interviewed a lot of people starting from fresher to middle level management. So after seeing a lot of people struggling to communicate in English, I wanted to address this issue. So as a result, we have started Vakchaturya. At Vakchaturya, we ask our customers to pick a topic of their own interest, any topic which they are very much interested to express themselves, and then let us know a particular time in a day. So our trainers will call them every day on the same time, and there will be a telephonic conversation between both of them for 15 minutes. 15 minutes sounds little less, but as per our customers, even to talk for 15 minutes continuously with a fluent person, it takes minimum of 1 to 1.5 hour daily preparation for them, in which our trainer will call them and do a casual interaction initially, then ask the customer to talk about the topic. And while the customer is trying to explain about the topic, our trainer will keenly observe his communication, and if at all there are any mistakes that they are committing, they will stop them in between and ask them to correct it by giving a proper reason why they are wrong and what exactly is right. So this way the whole conversation will happen, during which the mistakes can be like you might feel nervous, or it can be grammatical issue, or the way you sound it. All these kind of elements will be considered, and then at the end of the session, our trainer will overall analyze your performance and let you know what exactly is wrong in your communication and help you how to work on those mistakes. When you are preparing for the next day, that is a different topic, all these points will be in your mind and you will try not to repeat those mistakes. This way, when you do it for 25 to 30 days or 45 days, depending on the program you choose to join us, the rate of mistakes that you are committing will keep coming down, and at the same time, as you are interacting with efficient people on a daily basis, your self-confidence will definitely improve. It's been 2.5 years that we have started Vakchaturya, and we have trained people like doctors, lawyers, software engineers, private employees. So there is no limit for customers, because English is a common problem which is faced by most of them, and we are rated as 4.8 out of 5 in Google reviews by our customers. Once you join us, you will definitely receive calls on a fixed time slot as per your convenience from our trainers. Features of Vakchaturya include: as we have been doing it for last 2.5 years, I can assure you that there will be a great change in your self-confidence and your communicating ability starting from first day of your sessions to the last day. To register yourself with Vakchaturya, you can enter your details and proceed with the payment.